what do you do when you run out of tissue paper?
Well, you get more or you make a toilet roll fire dragon. For this activity, you need paint,
Glue,
a paintbrush,
toilet paper roll,
scissors,
crepe paper,
and permanent marker. Let's get started. So first of all, I'm going to mix these two beautiful colors, blue and yellow, to make green.
And while she's doing that, I'm going to be cutting the crepe paper to make the flames for the dragon.
So now I'm going to paint the toilet roll.
Okay.
Okay, I think we're done.
And now we should let it dry.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I think it'll come out more green when it's dry.
Yeah.
So we're gonna let it dry and then we'll show you.
What to do next?
Yes. So we let it dry and this is the end result. It's green.
Yeah, now we're gonna move the paint over so we have more space to
Yes.
do stuff and glue the strips on.
So first, Seth is going to draw the face with the marker.
Yeah, I think it would look really silly with googly eyes.
Yeah.
Going
Make
to
sure you draw it well.
Should I draw a smiley face?
Yeah.
It's a nice dragon.
Oh gosh. It doesn't have a nose.
I guess it's a human dragon now.
Okay.
But yeah.
Now we're going to take the glue and then we're going to attach the strips inside the toilet roll. So here you put the glue inside the toilet roll.
And then stick a strip onto it like that.
And then continue putting until we have all these wonderful colors together.
Yeah. Oh. It's so crowded up. Yeah, I think
Okay.
that's enough. Now we're gonna let it dry so that the glue can dry and it won't go flying off when we blow into it.
Yeah. So we've waited a few minutes for it to dry and it's all dried up and it's looking really cool. And it was very easy to make with very simple material.
And now I'm gonna blow into it to show you how it works.
Oh, I want to try. Oh, wait. Wow. It was very fun making this and I hope you guys try it at home and tag us. #Sema's Lab. This is Seth.
And this is Stacy.
And this is Sema's Lab! Stay connected with me on the Super Sema YouTube channel.